हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ अपने क्लाइंट की एक जूम मीटिंग शेयर करूंगा, जिसमें आप लोगों को सीखने को मिलेगा कि आप लोग अपने क्लाइंट से कम्युनिकेट किस तरह करेंगे और प्रोजेक्ट की डीलिंग किस तरह करेंगे। चलें करते हैं आज की वीडियो को स्टार्ट।
Then it comes to me, a message comes to me and says somebody wants to go on this weekend, and I can send all of the information to the people, to my people, that they're in the mountains. And I say, who's available this weekend? Most likely they're going to be available. So I'm going to go back to that. And it said, okay, booking is confirmed. Okay. Otherwise, if it's not available, if nobody is available, then I'm going to go back to the client and say, I'm sorry, we're fully booked. Here is your deposit back, or something like that, something similar to that.
Okay.
This is kind of the idea. I want to make it now. This is not my job, but
Okay.
is my exit strategy. I've been working in finance. I like finance. I like trading equities. The only problem is that this is not what I want to do for my life. My heart is in the mountains, and I love entertaining people. I love taking people to the mountains. I think there is a business to be made there. I can see that there is a business to be made there because even if it's my little hobby, I make a decent amount of money out of this. I just want to make it big. So this is kind of the idea that I have in mind.
Uh, Perfect. I understood all the things, and I like your journey and your working. And uh, first of all, now I need to introduce myself as well. Actually, I am working from last 4 to 5 years on Fiverr and other marketplaces as a web developer and digital marketing. And my I done my graduation in computer science in 2020.
Right.
Okay. And after that, I started my professional career as a web developer. And after that, I have the good team for the other skill set like that graphic designing, social media marketing, content marketing, SEO as well. I take the work from my team as well. But myself, I am web developer and I have good command on the social media, digital marketing as well. And this is the short journey about me, and I am sure you understand about to these things. And you have checked my profile already, and I have good experience as a consultant, as trainer, as coach for my clients, and a lot of good students from UK, and USA who learned from me, and they giving the services as a web developer and other skill set. Some of my client managing the stuff, they passionate to manage the website and they need to manage the business by their own. He is very good result. They are I am getting the good result from them. And but now yesterday when I received your the message for the consultancy, you explained a lot of things. I see. But you told you explained everything about your journey, about your business as well. All the things I understood. But being a consultant, being a trainer, I need to guide you how we need to process the thing technically. But you explained me everything. You explained me everything. I understood what you want, what you are looking, and how we can process it. But for this scenario, it's very good thing you are moving to designing the website, doing the email. It's very odd approach. But we need, if we are running our small business, big business, we need the website. That is most important.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Uh, and for this thing, how we need to start. Okay. First thing you think about to the website development. First thing, you need to find the any or from the Google any competitor website links. Just visit it how they represent the content about your business or similar like your business. Just you need to get the idea. I want to my website look like this one, and if some sections, some functionality we need to customize, I am here how we can process it. And second thing about to the most important thing, I noticed in your the conversation, the most important thing about to the booking system, I need to guide you properly how you will need to process the things in the better way about to the booking system for your the customer. It would be very easy to use for you, and as well as your customers as well,
Yeah.
about to the booking. Because someone comes on your the website, if someone select the package which you will display on the website, if our booking system is not understandable, not working, then people will leave the website quickly. Okay.
Of course. So let me
Okay.
explain to you just 1 second about that, and I think it's important to explain. So what I've explained is like I at the moment I'm starting from scratch to do a
Okay.
website.
Yes,
I need
exactly.
somebody that can help me with the structure of the
Ah,
website. I need
mhm.
somebody that understands my business and understands
Yes.
what I want to do, that can
Yes.
understand like what is an impactful font, what is an
Mm.
impactful website when you land on a page, the home page. I want something that is easy to navigate, very nice structure, good to navigate. And what I
Yes.
mean by the booking, I just want to show you a couple of, can I show you a couple of things, right?
I am sure I have designed the website for my clients, that travel as well. I'll share you the link and you will check it. And but I already told you I have good experience to design the things with the WordPress by use of Elementor. Okay, I have designed thousands of websites. Okay, and you know, if I am developer, I am sit on in front of you, giving the answer of your all the queries. Okay, I have good experience to. I am telling you the things which would be possible, which things would be what we will do if we will stuck on any place, what we will do. But I understood about to your schedule as well. You told me I am not available all the time. I will schedule, but I will complete the things myself. After that, we will schedule our short meeting. I will show you, sir, this thing is done. You let me know how it is looking, how it is working. If we need to modify, then definitely we will schedule over the
Yeah.
I will
Well, let's
over.
say I don't want to have constraints where you say, oh, you only paid for 3 modifications. I'm going to pay you by hour, and we're going to take as many hours as we need to bring the website to the right level.
Right, right.
Assume it's not going to be 100 hours, right? I assume it's not going to be that. But all I'm saying is that I like to work with somebody on a regular basis, and then in a year time, when I say, okay, do you know what? I think we've done this, and I think we should change it to something like that. Or you call me and you say, look, I had an experience with another client. I think this could be looking really good on your website. Can we have a chat? And we have a chat, right? And then if you say, okay, there is this booking system that I use for another client that is super cool, then we change it. Like those sort of things. I need to have somebody that understands a lot more than me in this world that can help me.
Yes, exactly. I am sure. But today's our meeting purpose about to understanding discussion about your the project, which we have already completed, and I am 100% sure I will you will be satisfied with my services as well. And but you need to make the decision about to start the working when we will do, and after that. I am not sure you are talking with other consultants as well. I have no problem. You can make your decision right.
Yeah.
Okay, I will not force you. And you are talking with me, and you will get the you had get the idea about to see my conversation regarding to my past experience as well. I showed you everything. I explained you everything. How we will process the thing. If you will be satisfied, then definitely you will continue the. You can message me if I wanted to continue the working with you. Definitely
Perfect. Would
we
you
will.
would you be recording your work that you're doing in the background for my website, even if I'm not there? Would you record that and then send it to me and say, this is what I've done so I can learn it or not?
Actually, this meeting is recorded because it's saved on the orders page. But when I will work in front of you, and our meeting on the Zoom meeting, when I will do the work in front of you, that meeting will be recorded. If I am working solo, means I am working alone, then it's not possible to record the
Right.
sessions. But for that case, I will give you the recommendation. When I will complete the things after that, in 5 to 10 minutes, I will explain you how you can edit it, how you can
Okay.
process it, how
Fine.
you can. I think so. It would be very good thing for you about to learning point of view. You can
Perfect.
ask me the questions to see the structure, to see the functionality. Irfan, what, how you can, how you did this one? Definitely, I will let you know how I applied it.
That's perfect. Okay, Irfan, thank you so much. I just for transparency, most likely I'm gonna speak to some other people this week. So maybe beginning of next week, I'll hopefully be able to make a decision who to go
Okay.
with, and I will let you know. But thank you so much for your time. I'm done, and yeah, and then hopefully we speak soon.
Yeah, of course. Just I am going to deliver my order to you, and you need to prove this one. We had placed order for 1 hour consultancy, right?
Yeah, we're basically 1 hour consultancy. Yeah, which
Yes,
is pretty much
exactly, exactly. Yeah, of course. Just 1 second. I have delivered my order to you. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Are you from Italy? I was thinking you are from UK.
Oh, no, I'm from Italy.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Because through the UK, actually, it's not my working hours. My working hours, according to my country time, from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. means in night time I work.
Oh my God. Ah,
Okay.
good to
But
know.
just I opened my laptop and scheduled the meeting with you. Just I today I little early wake up and prepare myself to talk with you because I scheduled the meeting with you.
Oh
But
my God.
my working hours according to Europe means USA, Canadian, and UK time almost. UK
I,
time.
I actually arranged the meeting very early to think that you were not going to be awake when I want to do it at night. So now it would be better actually for me, it would be better to work in the evening. But yeah,
Yeah, actually, I ask you when you are available. In the second message, I ask you, sir, when you are available for the meeting. I mean, you need to let me know. But I today I was thinking we have 9 a.m. according to UK time because
yeah,
I see on your profile United Kingdom. I was not thinking you are in the Italy. Okay,
yeah, yeah.
but I message you on the spot and you see it and you respond me. I come to there in front of and sit in front of you. Very nice to talk with you, and
Likewise.
I hope so. We will work together. But you will message me. You can message me anytime regarding to any query regarding to your the website. It doesn't matter. We will work or not. You can ask me. I will
So
definitely
much.
assist you in the
Thank you.
best. Okay.
Thank you. All the best. Take
Okay.
care. Bye bye.
Bye.